Peened features a textured slip-resistant finish. Supportive design. Bathroom grab bar supports up to 500 pounds when installed in a stud or when using SecureMounts, not included. Safe and secure. Optional SecureMount designed for easy, secure installation, sold separately. Peace of mind. Designed for hassle-free installation. Size. Overall length, 35.25, 32-inch bar length, 1.25-inch diameter. Moen SecureMount Peened 32-inch grab bar has a peened finish. It is ADA compliant and comes with a limited lifetime warranty. A genuine Moen product. Moen is dedicated to designing and delivering beautiful products that last a lifetime. Moen offers a diverse selection of kitchen faucets, kitchen sinks, bathroom faucets and accessories, and showering products. Moen products combine style and functionality with durability for a lifetime of customer satisfaction. Top reviews from the United States. Strong. Sturdy. Safe. There is much written about the best way to install this product. I have what is called cultured marble shower walls. Instead of purchasing additional installation products, I went with spring-loaded toggle bolts. Easy peasy. Extremely satisfied with my grab bars.